Most people think Raglan sleeves are hard, but what if I told you they are actually one of the easiest sleeves to draft if you know this exact method? Let me show you the cleanest, fastest way to draft perfect Raglan pattern from scratch. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating a professional Raglan pattern, clean seams, perfect curves with zero confusion. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the base bodice and sleeve. You only need two things, your basic bodice and your sleeve pattern. Make sure the shoulder and armhole lines are clear. That is where the magic happens. Step 2. Mark your Raglan pointers. On the front and the back bodice, mark 3 cm down from the neckline and 1/3 of armhole and the sleeve curve. Now, connect those two markers with a smooth line. This becomes your front and back Raglan seam. Step 3. Separate the Raglan yokes. Cut along the lines you draw. This will open up your new Raglan opening, front yoke and back yoke. Step 4. Build the Raglan sleeve. Now extend the center line of the sleeve and draw two parallel lines 3 cm apart left and right. Measure front and back yoke seam and draw line equals to them, touching parallel lines you drew before. Adjust the curve smoothly. This is your new Raglan sleeve. Step 5. Final check. Check that the front and the back Raglan seams match in length. Check the sleeve cuff flows without bumbles and the neckline sits smooth. If all look good, congratulations, you have drafted professional Raglan pattern. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.